Hello everyone. Now we're going to talk about time expressions. We have here at, in, on. We use at to say at 8, at night. In to say in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. On to say on Saturday, on Sunday, on weekdays, on weeknights, on weekends, on Friday. We have here around, early, late, until, before, after. All these are time expressions. Now we have here some examples. The first one, I get up at 8 in the morning on weekdays. I go to bed around 9 in the evening on weeknights. I leave work early in the afternoon on weekends. I get home late at night on Fridays. I stay up until midnight on Sundays. I wake up before afternoon on Sunday. Now here, the time expressions at, in, on, around, in, on, early, in, on, late, at, on, until, on, before, after. So at 8, around 9, early, late, until night, before or afternoon, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, at night, on Sunday, on weekdays, on weeknights, on weekends, on Fridays. Okay, that's all. Thank you. God bless.